Today I'm going to show you how to view the accounts overview screen. This screen you'll be able to see all sorts of data from accounts payables to accounts receivables information. To navigate there, simply select accounts and this will load the accounts overview screen. The first thing you can see is your overdue invoices in the amount, your overdue invoices in terms of the quantity, your outstanding payables amount, as well as the outstanding payables quantity. You can select any one of these by simply hovering the header or the amount. And in this example, it'll take you to the aged receivables report. Again, in order to learn how the aged receivables report works, please go ahead and watch the video by clicking here. To navigate back to the accounts overview, simply select accounts. You can also navigate by selecting overdue invoices. That'll take you to the aged receivables summary report. And if I go back, you can also view the aged payables and aged payable summary report by selecting these outstanding payables amounts or outstanding payables in terms of the quantity. To navigate back, I'm simply just going to go click accounts, and this will take me back to the accounts overview screen. If I scroll down, I can also see my reports in terms of revenue streams. I can view this chart. I can turn on or off fields by simply clicking them, as well as my profit and loss. I can see my sales that's come in, my expenses that have gone out, as well as the net income. If I select these three little dots, you can view more details around the report. If I scroll down a bit further, I can view all the different account types that I have set up in the list below. To go into one of them, simply just select and it will take you back to the account that makes that up. If you wish to create a new one, simply select New Account and enter in the detail and hit Save. You can also look at the journal entry list as well as creating a new journal entry by selecting Journal Entries. Again, there's a video on this, so please go ahead and watch that video by clicking here. Again, to navigate back, I'm simply just going to scroll up and select Accounts. If I scroll down a bit further, if I wish to export this accounts list, I can simply hit Export, and that'll download the accounts overview in my file here. You can also import data. By importing accounts type data, I would recommend downloading the template first, or the Excel template, so CSV or Excel. Update that Excel template and then import by going to Browse, selecting your file, and then selecting Import. Again, I highly recommend downloading the template first, updating the template, and then importing that template once you've updated your information. And on the right, you can also print this report by selecting Print. It'll give you, again, your accounts overview report, which you can then print. I'm just going to close out of this. Also, if you select these three dots, you are able to update the names of these header columns as well as its widths and sizes, and also turn them on or off as you see fit, and that'll adjust immediately. If you scroll right down to the bottom, if you have more detail or more pages, you can simply navigate to them by selecting Next or Previous. If you wish to run an update batch and your information hasn't pulled through yet, simply scroll right to the top and select Update Reporting Tables. This will run an update batch and give you the most recent data on the report. And that's how you use and view the accounts overview.